it's not like this anymore. It'll never be like this. I'm golden texted. I'm homeschooled, so I don't know, I'm kind of alone a lot of the time.
You mean my boy?
I was put in this group. I not only have 3 best friends, but I have 3 best kids now. I run a daycare center. I miss my kids, but I love it here. Nothing better than going to sleep and you're in your dreams, and then you wake up and you're still in your dreams. I was born and raised in Cape Town, South Africa. My family moved all the way to California to give me this opportunity to be able to sing, and there's been so many doors shut. I've never been this close in my life. When I was little, I would stand there for hours in the mirror singing, but I want to be able to live my own dream, not pretend to be somebody else. They're humble girls. They have amazing
Darling.
If the girls go, hold down. Back in, so no pressure.
I have 1 group left, and I am confident that we're going to remain here for 5 to 6 minutes. And 2 weeks in a row that I've been responsible. So, our dreams are on the line.
You guys feel good?
I think they're stronger. And we're going to make them all proud.
You gonna talk for us? You gonna talk for us? What are you gonna say? What are you gonna say?